Alright, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Roller Flex. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. It really helped the channel grow. So today we're talking about the first year maintenance records of this E60 M5. There's a lot of rumors out there that the car isn't reliable and you gotta have deep pockets. Some are true, some are false. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. Alright, so 1 year, the first maintenance that we had to do was an oil change. So with the oil change, there was something wrong with the screw in the oil pan. So it was like cross-threaded or whatever. And I went back to the dealership for that, and they told me, you know, it wasn't their fault or whatever it was. We went back and forth, and eventually they decided to cover half of it. So that was, originally it was $220, and it came out to be, I paid for half, so they charged me $122.10, which was, you know, cool after tax or whatever. All right, so second thing was headlights. So I was at Carowinds one day, the light came on and it told me, you know, one of my halos had gone out. So with that fix, I wanted to go ahead and get LED. So I got the Lux Angel Eyes that were $179, and I went ahead and installed those myself. So that was pretty much, you know, pretty simple, wasn't too bad, and it's something I wanted to kind of do to the car anyway. For the transmission, on the third thing, the transmission went bad. So I noticed, like, going into second gear or whatever it was like a pop, like a crazy grinding sound. It was the most embarrassing thing you ever wanted to hear in your life of existence. And that was the big ticket, because I took it to BMW knowing that I had a warranty on the car, because I went and got a secondhand warranty on the car, and knowing that I had a warranty on the car, I took it to BMW, and they told me that that ticket to get a brand new transmission, because they don't rebuild transmissions, was $14,000, $14,889.38. Yeah, as a college student. There's more on that story, you know, on my first ever post that I made. You can go back on my channel and look into that and how that turned out, but it was dicey to say the least. That was scary. Fourth entry, I had to get a battery. So the battery, the OEM battery, was $376.30. So that kind of scratched my pockets a little bit. And then after that, the fifth entry was a throttle actuator and the oil cooler. These cars are known, the E92, the E90, E9X M3s, and the E60 M5s are known for throttle actuators. So I was already aware of that. I got one of the throttle actuators done because pockets ain't that deep to go ahead and do two. So I got that one done, and I had to get the oil cooler replaced because the E60 M5s are known for having oil cooler issues and leaking and whatever. So got both of those replaced at the same time, and that was $2,806.78. So $28.06 with 78 cents. And then to come back around full circle, so if you see, I'll put the total about right here. So that's, or right here, or whatever. That's how much I've spent in the entire year without a warranty.
Show us a tutorial since you know what the fuck you do.
Thing I will say, if you're getting this car, you need, or any BMW, any car really that's like high performance, high strung, you need to get a good standing warranty. At the end of the day, when I walked out for my transmission, I only paid $100. So cha-ching, whatever, subtract that 14 or whatever, and then just tack on 100, that changes the landscape of everything. So this is the total without the warranty, this is the total after the warranty. So it's kind of crazy to see, you know, the difference and how much less you're paying there. Like the whole thing, they didn't want to pay it at first. And, you know, I had to be careful of which warranty I got. But, you know, as a college student, and I'm just now graduating school, I would say this car has been the first year kind of scary to own, but at the same time, it's been rewarding if you're smart about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much, you know, my records on the E60 M5, and it's been worth it to own, it's been worth it to have, and we'll see what the future entails. But thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank y'all for your support, and y'all be easy. Have a good one.